we're here as an organization participating in the launch of the Child Justice Week, which is beginning from today, 14th of November 2022, running through to 18th of November 2022. We're so excited to be a part of this because stakeholders from all across have actually rallied together to come and be a part of this so that we can effect the implementation of the newly enacted Children's Code Act number 12 of 2022. It gives us great joy as an organization because we've been there from the very beginning of the drafting of the Children's Code Bill and running advocacy campaigns all across the country and trying to engage the relevant state actors, through the judiciary, and of course expecting that this would be enacted into law so that our children can be safe and protected. And we're so glad that the president was able to enact this, and we're really looking forward to a Zambia that is child-friendly, justice system that we can call a child justice system. So we're appealing to all the relevant stakeholders out there within the justice system, NGOs, all the parties involved. Let's make sure that we put our efforts together and ensure that this act is not put on the shelves to gather dust, but we must make sure that it's implemented and we effect the changes that it provides for.
Yeah, awesome. So as Zambia Police Child Protection Unit to be specific, our primary role is to protect a child. So when we talk about a child, we mean both male and female. Yes. Then we also mean a child who's a victim, a witness, and also a child who's been found in conflict with the law. So what do we do to attain child justice? We have friendly spaces for children. When we are interviewing, arresting, or all those areas, we always make sure that there is a parent, a guardian, or a support person to be there for the child. Then also when it comes to detentions, when we are talking about a child, detention is not always necessary. And also when it is a last resort, we make sure we detain them separately. Yes. So all the structures that we have, police cells that have been built in the recent past, we make sure that we have juvenile cells. That's exclusively for our children who are found in conflict.
Good afternoon. My name is Kateole Valentina Kasonde. I'm a legal practitioner at the National Legal Clinic for Women. The launch of the Child Justice Week means that the rights of children are going to be promoted and adhered to. Coming from an institution that provides legal services to children, this is a very progressive week where at least we're going to raise awareness on child justice and its importance.
My name is Brand Wembia, aka B-Flow, and it's great to be a part of the Child Justice Week. I just did a performance at the Supreme Court grounds as my contribution to the Child Justice Week. Other than that, I'm also participating in some road shows, and I want to take this time to just encourage the general public to also be a part of this important process by ensuring that the laws are definitely upheld and also the rights of children are safeguarded and also prioritized in everything that we're doing. It's good to know about the existence and the enactment of the Children's Code Act of 2022, and now it's time for implementation, enforcement, and ensuring that the message goes out there. All of us have to play a role, take interest, study the law, understand what this Children's Code Act is all about so that we can enforce it together. All of us as citizens have a role to play. As a musician, as an advocate, as an activist myself, I'm playing my role and ensuring that the rights of children are protected. So I want you to play your role. It's not only the responsibility of government or lawyers or the legal fraternity, it's for all of us to ensure that we celebrate the future leaders of our country who happen to be the children.